name is Surad Praveen. I am studying 6th class in ZPHS Boys Kottapalli of Kottapalli Mandal. All are studying 6th class. Good morning everybody. My name is Surad Praveen. I am studying 6th class in ZPHS Boys Kottapalli of Kottapalli Mandal. We are 6th class. Now we are going to tell about verb forms. Find, found, found, finding. Run, ran, run, running. Come, came, come, coming. Run, ran, run, running. Write, wrote, written, writing.
Feel, felt, felt, feeling.
Take, took, taken, taking. Draw, drew, drawn, drawing. Feel, felt, felt, feeling. Give, gave, given, giving. Ring, rang, rang, ringing. Feel, felt, felt, feeling. See, saw, seen, seeing. Run, ran, run, running. Fly, flew, flown, flying. Go, went, gone, going. Buy, bought, bought, buying. Go, went, gone, going. Swim, swam, swum, swimming. Bring, brought, brought, bringing. Break, broke, broken, breaking. Find, found, found, finding. Catch, caught, caught, catching. Thank you. Have a nice day. Bye.
Please like, share and subscribe. Please like, share and subscribe.